Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, as you can see, I am here to give you a complete unboxing review of this DJI Mic Mini, which is really good and really according to the price is really nice and it's worth getting this one. So if you are planning to start your anything online, any kind of content or you need, so I think this is the best option in this best price. I'm gonna tell you in the end of the video. Also I'm gonna attach a link in the description of to get this mic. So until then, watch the complete review. So to start with, this is a really nice and compact box. So in this box, which we are going to get is receiver transmitter, which you can see on the picture, receiver transmitter and transmitter charging dock, a carrying pouch, a magnetic clip, which I'm sure you've seen in a lot of nowadays content creator. They're having a small kind of a clip in their shirt. You cannot see the mic because my mic is under their shirt. I'll show you how. If you are iPhone or Android user, this gonna work on iPhone. All those iPhone are compatible with Type-C charging port. It's gonna work with that, or you can get a converter or connector if you have an older lightning cable. To connect to your camera, it comes with a cable, splitter charging cable, which is really good, and a document. So this is so much in this, I think. So on a side it says noise cancellation, 10-hour battery life, which is really good, and this transmitter is really helpful. I'll show you how you can control all the levels of noise using this. It can also connect using Bluetooth as well, but this is really handy and more professional, I would say. So let's do the unboxing. So in this we have this pouch, I'm sure which all small pouch with all the accessories we're gonna see. But before that, this is also in this, I think it's document and manual, and I'm sure there are some cool stickers as well. Okay, so this is a cool sticker which you can use on your laptop. This looks like a memory card, and yeah, it's cool. This is gonna go on my laptop now. DJI, this is a card. Okay, I'll put this here so you can see. Oh, here, okay. And what else? Yeah, something, don't know, put it on a side. So yeah, you can watch a video online, or I think they have a QR code you can scan here and go and watch a video, or you can read this if you like. There is a QR code as well. You can read about this support guide for this. Okay, yeah, same thing, that's fine. We'll put it on a side. So this is our main package. Let's open this. The packaging is really solid, like, the quality is nice as you expected, but in this price it's really good. So came with a tag, and this pouch is really nice, like it's really nice fit and nice quality. You can actually carry this in your camera bag or whichever bag you want to. Okay, start with all the kind of good stuff in there. So start with one by one. Open this one. So this is the connector, like I was saying, a Type-C one, which you can use with your transmitter, and then this will go into your mobile phone. All right, I'll put it back here. Next one is the two windshield, like I was saying to you guys. So it comes with two ones. So one is, this one is a bit less thicker than, like, either are, they both are really nice, you can use. It depends on which one, on which weather you are. So this is the, I think, the splitter cable. Okay, yeah, that's the one you can use for your camera. One is go into the transmitter and the other one go into your camera. This one is the, if you want to charge your both devices basically. So they have two USB-C and one USB which can go into the adapter, and the cable quality is really nice. It's not like, you know, low quality, it's really nice. So what next? Okay, we have the transmitter now here, I think. Yeah, look at this mini kind of camera old days, but yeah. DJI transmitter here, mic RX will look about this. So that's the one for the audio, and that's the clip under there, USB-C, and over here, like I was saying to you guys, this little thingy will go in here and goes into your camera. It's attached like that, and then it will goes into your camera or mobile phone. Actually, let's take this out. I'm gonna also, the rest of the video, I will show you the proper sound testing as well. Okay, so yeah, there's a is -12, -6, 0, +9, +12. So I'll show you what are these doing as well. So let's take out what left inside. So that's the mic. So this one is the, I think is the charging one, to charging dock, I think. Yeah, this one is the to charge, so USB-C to charge the mic. Let's open this as well. So our main package is here. That's the DJI mic, which is like a very small, as you can see in my hand. So this is strong magnetic, which is really strong, as you can hear it. So this will goes like this will goes under your shirt, and this will on top. So I'm sure you've seen people with this kind of thing on their shirt. So yeah, this can goes under your shirt like this, and you can only see this part from your shirt. So but this is really strong and nice. Or you can clip it, whichever you like. So on our side, yeah, I think this button used to do activate noise cancellation. This is the power button. On this side, yeah, I'm sure it's mic. That here we have light here and light here. This is for the dock here, like to charge, I think. Oh, there's a magnetic as well, so it tells you which way. So if I try to do this way, it's not gonna go in there, it's gonna go this way. So you can charge like this and this with this cable. That's this for, this goes onto your adapter, and then you can charge both things on the same time. Okay, what else? We have nothing else left. Okay, goes in the bin. Nothing else left. Yeah, the quality, I would say 10 by 10, really good. Okay, so let's turn this on and I'll show you how this works as well. So here is the power button. I'm sure it's charged. So when you turn this on, you'll see the green light, which means it's gonna pair with your device transmitter. I'm gonna turn the on transmitter as well, so you can see both are blinking. So the same device comes with two transmitters as well. That's why here we have the second one option, as you can see here as well, that 1 and 2. So if you have two transmitters, so the second one will connect this one. Okay, I'm gonna connect this with my device right now, and I'm gonna show you and record the video with my mic while speaking, and then you gonna tell me how the sound quality and how you're finding. So right now the receiver is connected to my device, and which is, if you remember, there was few buttons. So like here, this one I'm talking about, it was like -12, -6, 0, and then +1. So this one is right now set to 0, and I'm holding this in my hand and talking. I'm sure you can hear me loud and clear. So you can tell me the voice difference. I'm sure is better than before. So the buttons I'm gonna play around and as well. So I think -6 and 12 does all the noise cancellation, and if you do like +6 and +12, that's with no like noise cancellation. So you can decide which one to go with. I'm gonna try to -6. So right now it's on -6. I'm not sure how much you can hear the background noise if I'm touching my table on a side here, if you can hear it. Or now it's set to -12, which is I think the max in this one. So I'm gonna change it to the other side now. So now it's on +6. So if I do this on a side, I'm sure you can hear it, not that much, but I'm gonna set to +12, which is the max, I think, with no noise cancellation. So if I hold this near this, I'm sure you can hear this. So but again, this is really good with the price. Before finishing this video, the price I'm going to tell you. So this is like, I got about 60 euros. You can convert into your currency, either dollars or pounds, but I think this is a really worthwhile investment. If you are a content creator, you can get this, and you can increase your voice quality and do it better. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like this, and if you still like this, please make sure to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.